The last part of the 7 P's is the physical evidence. Here I'm just going to give you some examples for you to know what we mean by physical evidence. When people visit a restaurant, okay, when you go to a restaurant, the first thing you expect to see in a restaurant is that it should be clean, right? Or let's say you're going to a clinic, okay, to get maybe your teeth checked. You should expect that clinic or that restaurant to be clean. So whenever you look at everything around you and you feel that it is clean, that's physical evidence. So it is the evidence of your expectation that is physically present there. If your company is in the green business, so you are in the environment business, you are very ecological, you are environment friendly, etc., people expect you to print less, okay? And whenever you need to print, people expect you to print on recycled paper. If you go and buy fancy paper, you are no longer in line with your green business. So this expectation that people should see physically is what we call physical evidence, okay? Now, another exercise, you just launched a new mobile operator in your country, okay? The market is already dominated by 2 operators. What strategy should you go for? Would you go for a price war or would you go for a niche market? And based on your choice, how do you implement your strategy? But what I mostly need to know from you is which strategy would you go for? Would you go for a price war? So would you go for the lowest price since you are the 3rd operator? Or would you go to a niche market strategy, and why? What we say, eat you alive. So they will definitely crush you on the market because they have way more revenues than you, okay, to be able to afford a war price. So here what you do is you actually go for a niche market, and what you do is you have some extra services that maybe the competition or the existing operators do not have in place. So you get them in place and you start working on a niche market to deliver those specific services at a certain price point.